Take this one. I am 100% here. I am Dhanvarshan, studying Diploma in Mechatronics Engineering and Smart Factory. Second year at NTTF Trichy. I am still here to deliver my short talk about legacy survey of space and time. Legacy survey of space and time. Nothing but LSST. Yeah, now we jump into our topic. LSST is the Vera Rubin Observatory Legacy Survey of Space and Time. The Legacy Survey of Space and Time is planned for 10 years of survey of southern sky that will take place in the Vera Rubin Observatory, currently under the construction of the El Penon Peak of the Carapanachen, northern Chile. And now see what is the history of LSST. History of LSST. It was founded in 2003, not for the profit. It is Arizona Corporation is to initiate this large synoptic survey of telescopic project. Now the Veras European Observatory project will carry out for the legacy survey of space and time and to advance the science of the astronomy and physics. Founder of the LSST. The London School of Science and Technology LSST privately managed the higher education college, which was the founded by the Mr. Saint in 2003. The vision of support local communities and the engage of social cause. Uh, Purpose of LSST. Whereas Cherubim was the LSST is designed to address the from four science areas, namely dark energy, dark matter, taking the inventory of solar system, exploring the transient dark nickel system. Dark energy is nothing but which cannot emit light, which is occurring in our solar system. That is defined as the dark energy. Dark matter also same category. Exploring solar system, exploring the solar system which was the planets are located there. That like it can article the sky. Now, what is the pixels of LSST? 9 years and 3.2 billion pixels later, it completed the LSST camera as the large digital camera ever built for astronomy will serve as the centerpiece of the Vera Rubin Observatory, poised to begin its exploration of southern sky. Uh, how much cost it will occur? The camera is roughly cost about $168 million to build the funded by the Department of Energy and the National Science Foundation is funding construction of the observatory itself that has to so far authorized $551 million. Application of it. The data was the sent will be used for astronomers around the world, make countless discoveries, but Rubin Observatory was especially designed for advanced four science area under the nature of dark matter and dark energy, creating inventory of the solar system, mapping the Milky Way, where it is located. Whereas European Observatory formed known as the largest synoptic camera, telescopic camera in astronomical observatory under construction of Chile, its maintenance task will be carried out to the synoptic astronomic survey. This will occur to the legacy of survey of space and time. Yeah, what is Chile? Chile is an origin name. Name comes under the ingredient of the Amera world Chile, meaning that where was the land here. Chile, that country situated along the western seaboard of the South America. It extends approximately 2,700 miles, 4,300 kilometers from the boundary with Peru at latitude 17 degree 30 south. The tip of the South America at the Cape Horn latitude 50 degrees Celsius. As the point of the about 400 miles northern Antarctica. This is the picture taken by the LSST, first picture taken by the LSST. Yeah, you may understand my topic. Thank you.